looked great in a setup role so far with a couple of good passes. The puck comes around the zone. Dalcol will race for it, keep it alive. Sturck takes it off of his skate to his stick nicely. Plays it for Lindberg. Back to Sturck. Sturck on a string. Can't control it to the point. Dalcol. Michael Dalcol switches with Van de Sompel. Gives to Castles to Van de Sompel. Had to take it off of his skate. Turns back with it now. Here's Dalcol. Can't find a lane to the net. Leaves it for Van de Sompel. Back to Dalcol. A quick shot. Rebound came out. And a big juicy one at that. But no one could turn it back to the net. Here's Dalcol. Cross for Van de Sompel. Back for Dalcol. Wires. Rebound comes out. Controlled by Lindberg. Turns and fires. Scores! Power play goal to Tobias Lindberg. And front, Scott Stevens goes to the point to Callahan. Look out. He overskated it. And Smith comes back the other way. 3-on-1. Smith. Dalcol back to Smith. Scores! Short-handed top.
Instead of making the pass, decides to go top shelf. Hunter Smith dropping to Michael Dalcol, one-touch pass, and there you see the stick flat out in front, looking to intercept a potential pass. Cross crease to Cole Castles. Hunter Smith, one step ahead, goes up top, 7